If you're considering buying a bead roller, it's likely because you're doing some metal fab, like making floor pans, wheel tubs, bomber seats, or even truck bed floors, and want to add some strength and style to the metal, or because you want to get a set of forming dies to go along with your bead roller so you can also make fender flares, dash inserts, or trans tunnels. Eastwood offers a few sizes and styles of bead rollers, so let's check them out and make sure you get the right one for your job. Remember, to visit Eastwood at any time, simply click or tap the button in the top corner of the video. When selecting a bead roller, you'll want to know the thickness of metal it can form, the depth of the throat, whether or not it's motorized, the strength of its construction so it doesn't flex, as well as the ability to upgrade and expand its capabilities with items like a guide fence, forming dies, or even a motor if you want to upgrade your hand crank unit. We offer 4 styles of bead rollers, 3 of them are hand crank and 1 is motorized. A motorized bead roller is nice because it allows you to roll beads by yourself and easily control the speed with the foot pedal. A motor is available that fits all 3 hand crank units, allowing you to convert your hand crank machine into a motorized bead roller, which is often less expensive than buying a new motorized bead roller. All will form 18 gauge steel and 16 gauge aluminum, which should accommodate all your sheet metal needs if you're working on a car or truck. The throat depth of each is 8, 19, 27, and 24 inches for the motorized bead roller. This means you can form down the center of a piece that is 16 inches wide, 38 inches wide, 54 inches wide, and 48 inches wide. Being able to form a wide area is nice for large floor pans, trunk floors, bomber seats, and especially pickup truck bed floors and tailgates. You can still form panels with a smaller bead roller, but it means making the panels in multiple pieces and then welding them together, which typically compromises the quality of the work because there's a chance for warpage when welding them together, plus the need to grind the weld beads. The 8-inch Elite comes with both offset and 3/8 bead rolling dies, allowing you to form the 2 most popular shapes and make small floor pans. The 19-inch bead roller comes with 4 sets of mandrels, including 3 bead forming mandrels and a set of offset dies, a great combination for fabbing floor pans and wheel tubs. The 27-inch Elite bead roller comes with the popular offset dies. These 3 all have a standard 22mm shaft size, so you can add more dies like forming dies, which really expands the abilities of your bead roller. It's also nice because if you already own a bead roller with the standard 22mm shaft and you're looking to upgrade, you can use your existing dies, which will save you money. And remember, you can adjust the distance and depth of the offset dies, giving you many different appearances and functions. If you've done some research, you may have seen that many bead roller kits come with a few sets of flanging dies. But a single set of offset dies, like you get with these 3 units, basically replaces an entire multi-piece set of flanging mandrels. This is because they're so versatile. The reason is that you can adjust the offset dies in and out as well as up and down, giving you a variety of shapes, flanges, and offsets, as you can see in this piece, in which all of these shapes were made with a single set of offset dies, but simply set at different positions. Plus, offset dies are great for making different shapes and designs, further expanding their uses for adding strength and appearance. The motorized bead roller comes with a 1/2-inch bead roller die set. It uses a 3/4 inch shaft, and numerous dies are available like spoiler dies, step flange dies, and other sizes of bead rolling dies. If you're looking to do small projects, this 8-inch bead roller is great for you. And because you can form into the center of a 16-inch panel, you're still able to form floor pans for many cars. Plus, the size allows you to operate it by yourself, but don't let the size fool you. Just because it's small doesn't mean it's lesser quality. It is part of our Elite line of products that brings industrial styling to smaller DIY tools. It comes with 2 sets of dies, the popular offset dies as well as 3/8 bead rolling dies, which are nice for rolling beads in floor pans, which is a common appearance that also adds strength. This bead roller has a 19-inch throat that will allow you to form up to 38-inch wide pieces, which will cover most floor pans and sheet metal fab on a car. Plus, you can add a guide fence for those long runs, and it uses a standard shaft size, allowing you to upgrade and use forming dies, again expanding the capabilities of the bead roller. This Elite bead roller is currently the largest hand crank bead roller on the market with a deep 27-inch throat. The thick metal framework and fabricated design prevents flexing, giving you the strength and rigidity to roll consistent beads and flanges of the same depth. If you're looking for a quality hand crank bead roller that's going to last and probably be the only one you'll ever need, as well as give you the ability to add items like a guide fence for the most accuracy on those long straight runs, or forming dies to further expand your abilities, this is the one for you. Or if you're looking to upgrade, this is also a great option because you can attach the existing die set that uses the standard 22mm shaft. Another advantage is that the large throat size means you can fabricate metal as large as a truck bed floor in a single piece, which means you don't have to weld pieces together, and that means your finished work will be much nicer with no warpage or need to grind welds. Finally, if you want a motorized bead roller with the option to add more dies, like different sizes of bead roller dies and flanging dies, you should definitely consider the motorized bead roller from Eastwood. The 24-inch throat will allow you to form large sheets, and it's easy to operate by yourself with a variable speed control foot pedal. So to summarize, if you want to try bead rolling without much investment, or you only have small projects, the Elite 8-inch bead roller is a great option. And remember, it uses a standard shaft size and comes with both offset and bead rolling dies. The 19-inch bead roller will allow you to do most work on a car in a single piece, other than the larger panels like a trunk floor. It has a standard shaft size and comes with 3 sets of bead rolling dies and a set of offset dies. If you want to upgrade in the future to the Elite bead roller, you'll be able to use the dies that come with this machine. If you're looking to invest in yourself and want one bead roller that you won't need to upgrade, I highly recommend the Elite bead roller. The heavy-duty design gives you the quality and precision you want. It's also a great machine if you're looking to upgrade from your current unit because it has the standard 22mm shaft. Plus, because of its size, you should be able to form every panel you need on a car or truck in a single piece, giving you the most professional finished appearance. Don't forget, you can attach a drive motor to all 3 units, as well as the popular blue bead roller we sold for many years. So if you're looking to upgrade your bead roller now or later, you can always add a drive motor. In fact, if you're buying your first bead roller and want it to be motorized, a great option is to buy the 19 or 27-inch bead roller and add the drive motor, which will be a fraction of the price of a standard motorized machine. Eastwood offers forming dies that fit all 3 of these hand crank units, further expanding the capabilities of these machines, allowing you to fabricate all kinds of other shapes and parts for your car or truck, like fender flares, dash inserts, and trans tunnels. If you're in the market for a motorized bead roller, you should consider this unit that has a variable speed control foot pedal, which operates in forward and reverse, allowing you to fabricate metal yourself while giving you the control you need around corners and shapes. The 24-inch throat allows you to form most panels on a car or truck. It comes with the standard half-inch bead rolling dies, and other dies are available at Eastwood. I hope this helped you decide which bead roller is best for you. As you can see, Eastwood offers a quality option for just about anyone and any job. For more information or to visit eastwood.com, click or tap the button in the top corner of the video or follow the link that appears on screen.